My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome to my bathtub. We're in my bathroom, so if my voice is echoing, I do apologize, but we are going to be testing something out. Yes, a company by the name of Duvolle. I think you've heard of them because I've tried out their hair straightener brush and I loved it, and so they contacted me again. They asked me if I would do a review on their Radiance spin care system, and so yeah, so exciting. You guys know how much I love my other exfoliating face brush, so I haven't exfoliated my face with my other one in probably 2 or 3 weeks. So listen to this. Hear how rough that sounds? Because I haven't used my brush in a while and I have dry skin. So I did that on purpose so that I could see if this was going to do just as well as my other one. The other one is just from Walmart, $35. But yeah, I'm going to be testing this out, and I love this because it's not just for your face, it's for your body as well. So I'm really excited to try it. So it comes with a base unit, and I love the color. Look at that pretty blue. It comes with a pumice stone. It comes with a body brush. And it comes with a face cleansing brush and a face exfoliating brush. So I am really excited to try this out. So if you're as curious and interested to find out if it's going to make this dry skin any smoother, then you know what to do. Just stay with me and we are going to do a demo and a review on this. Alrighty, let's get started. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and test it out. I have it right here, and I put batteries in it already. So we're gonna go ahead and do the face first. Yay, I'm so excited to try it. Oh, I love my bubbles. I love bubble baths. Okay, so I have my cleanser, so let's go ahead and try this. We are going to try the cleansing brush first, which is the softer bristle brush. So I'm gonna pop this on and put some of my Olay Regenerist Advanced Anti-Aging Cleanser on my face. So let's try that. And yeah, so there we go. Let's try it. I've got a little bit of water on it, but I'm going to spritz a little bit more. I'm afraid to put this in the water because it has batteries in it. So let's just try it. Let me get my face wet first. All I have on are my Wonder Brow eyebrows on, and that is it. And obviously my eyelash extensions. Okay, so let's try this. It took 4 AA batteries. Ooh. Ooh, awesome. Ooh, that's really soft. So this is just the cleansing brush, which my face should be clean because I washed it last night. But I'm hoping, I don't want to take my eyebrows off, so I'm going to skip getting too close to the temples. But what I'm the most curious about is the cheek area, because this is where I have dry patches. I hope I'm in focus, guys. I get a lot of blackheads on my nose, so that's why I'm ooh, my face was dirty. Look at that. This cleans well because I had already washed my face last night. Wow. My bubbles are going away. I like my bubbles. Okay, so let me stop this, rinse this off, and do it again until my face gets clean. There we go. All right, so we're going to try the exfoliating brush now. Yeah, this one's a little bit more rough, but not too much more. So let's put some more of my cleanser on. And I'm going to concentrate, oh yeah, I can feel that it is a little rougher, but not too much, but I can feel that it's digging in a little deeper. It's not as soft of bristles as the other one. I'm going to concentrate mostly where I know I have dry skin. And then we're going to do the skin touching test and see if it sounds as rough afterwards. I love this bathtub. It is so huge and round. It doesn't look like it from that angle. I purposely put it at that angle so I could keep my private things private. But I couldn't think of a better way to demo this than to use it the way I really would use it, on my face and on my body when I take baths. So I think I'm just going to keep this right here so that it's here all the time. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse this off and let my face dry, and then I'm going to let my hands dry as well and see if my skin sounds any smoother. Feels smoother. Okay, I gotta wait for my face and hands to dry, so let me just dry them. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this at that for now, and I'm gonna do my body because I want my face to really, really get dry the way it was when I first filmed the first segment. So now I'm going to do the body brush. I love this, look how big that is. And then we will do my heels with the pumice stone, and I'll let you know how that feels. Right now my feet are, oh, I should have shown you what my heels look like right now. Yeah, you probably can't see them, but I can see that they look really dry. They felt really dry. And so we're going to test it out. Okay, but first let's do the body. Okay, so onto the body. Let's go ahead and pop this on. Wow, that's huge. I love that. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's get it wet. Just the brush. And then I'm going to pop some of this on. You can use any cleanser, it says. I'm going to use that because it has little beads in it that'll help to exfoliate. Okay, so let's try this. Ooh, that feels good. Wow. That feels really good. I never exfoliate my body. This is going to come in so handy. And I don't know if you ladies are like me, but right here on the backs and sides of my arms, I'm getting pretty dry skin, so I'm so glad I have this. Wow. So this is going to be really good for the décolleté area because we get those, what do you call it? We get those cleavage wrinkles right here when we sleep on our side, so this will be really good for that. I'm going to put the pumice stone on right now after I rinse this off. Wow, I like it. I like it a lot. And I'm probably not even really going to see benefits of it until I've been using it for a while because this is my first time exfoliating my body. so let's put the pumice stone on, and I'm gonna do my heels, and I probably don't need cleanser on that, but I'm gonna put some on anyway. Okay. All right, so let's try this on our heels. Keep looking over there to make sure we're not showing anything. This is a G-rated channel. So just hold it there where you need the exfoliation and let it spin and do its job. I get calluses over here. So these are the 3 spots I get calluses, here, here, and my heels. Okay, my camera's gonna die, so I better stop here. Let me rinse off. Ooh, ooh, I really feel a difference on my heels. I know my camera's still broke, so it's gonna focus mostly on my face, but I can definitely see a difference on my feet. I can feel the difference. This one I didn't do anything to, and this one I did, so wow. Yep. This one even looks lighter. Wow. Okay guys, so there is the demo, and oh darn it, I wet my hands, didn't I? Let me get my hands dry. My face is dry now, but now let me get my hands dry, and we'll do the feeling test on my face. Okay, don't put your hands in the water. Don't put your hands in the water. Come on, try. Wow. I'm gonna come close so you can hear on the camera. Of course you're gonna hear me rubbing my skin, but you're not gonna hear the rough sandiness that you heard earlier. Look at that. You can hear me rubbing the skin, but you can't really hear the roughness. Look. Wow. That is fantastic. I say 2 thumbs up, and yeah, I'm gonna get out of the shower, or I'm gonna get out of the tub here in a minute. I love this. It's a keeper for sure. I think it's gonna replace the one that I have from Walmart. Either that, or I'll keep one in a travel bag, and this one might just stay right here for my body, because I love it. And I love my heel. My heel feels so good. As soon as I'm done filming, I'm gonna do the other foot because it's way rough. Alrighty guys, it's by Duvolle, and Duvolle is a really good company. I got my brush straightener from them, and I love it. And I love this just as much now. So I am going to finish here, and then I will do an outro, okay? Okay guys, so I'm all finished. I did the rest of my body. I used the big body brush on the rest of my body, my tummy, my back, my legs, everything. And yes, everything is gonna be so smooth tomorrow probably once I put my lotion on and everything. And yes, I really, really love this pumice stone. I looked at the footage just now to make sure that it was in focus. It wasn't that focused, so I'm really, really sorry about that, but that's as good as I could do because the camera is way over there. I have it way zoomed in right now, but it's way over there, out of reach, so I couldn't keep it in focus, and I can't see the monitor anyway because my eyesight is so bad. So I apologize that it wasn't as clear as it could be. I hope this is at least pretty clear. So yeah, I looked back at the footage and I compared the 2 heels, and oh my word, you can see it on camera. If you rewind back and look at the 2 heels, oh my goodness, my right one is a lot darker around the bottom of my heel, and the other one is a lot lighter because the callus was gone. You can even see little cracks on my right one. You can see cracks on the heel. So yes, I'm so excited about that. Alrighty guys, let me see. Is there anything I'm forgetting to tell you? Yes, there is. There's gonna be a link down below if you wanna go and get one of these for you. Yes, you could probably go to Target or Walmart or Macy's or wherever and get a face exfoliating brush like the one I had. But I have never seen one with a big body brush like this, and a cleansing brush, and an exfoliating brush, and a pumice stone. So I just love it. It's a 1, 2, 3, it's a 4-in-1. So yeah, and guess what? They said that I could give you guys a big discount code. Yay! So I'm going to put that information here as well as down in the description box. So yeah, like I said, maybe you can go and get one of these at a department store, but you're not going to get the discount that you're going to be getting here. Alrighty guys, so yeah, I love it. I only bring things to you that I absolutely love, and I would not say that I like this if I didn't like it. I promise you. I've been asked to do reviews on several products. I go and check out the websites, and if it's not something that I think you, my audience, would like or would interest you, then I don't tell them that I'll accept their product. I don't want to waste their time, my time, your time. So I've said no to a lot of things. I've only brought you a couple of things. I've brought you this hair curly. I've brought you the Duvolle brush. The Duvolle company also has Peak Cosmetics. I brought you some lipsticks and some eyeshadows because those are the things that I really like and that I really care about. I brought you I think it's Duvolle, a wrinkle eraser. So if you haven't seen that video, go down and in my playlist and you'll see all that. So yeah, I've only brought you a handful of products that I really think that you guys would enjoy. So when I say that I like something, I really do like it. That doesn't mean you'll like it, but that means I really do like it. I'm not just saying that. Alrighty guys, don't forget to go check out the link. Don't forget to use the discount code. And don't forget how much I love you. And don't forget to love yourselves and everyone else you come in contact with. Alright, bye! Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.